Hey Emmanuel, it's Brandon Richardson, the executive director here. I'm with the location pastor for Base Church of the city location, and we're going to be doing a tour of all the things that have been going on here at the building. We are now within 2 months of the whole project being completed, and so there's a lot of updates to give, so follow us along as we give you a tour.
All right, so we're here in what is going to be the lobby space or the common area space for students as it's used as a Bible college throughout the week. And the really cool thing about this, like the work that they've done, is they've actually pulled up all the tile in this space and they're going to be polishing that concrete. So you can start to see how the space is a little bit more cohesive. You can visualize it all as one big open area. And the great thing about this is not only are we going to have a cafe here throughout the week, but we've sort of designed the space so that some of these areas, like right here, this hallway, we're actually gonna put a door right in that space so that you can section it off. And then right over here as well, this is where the kids' space is gonna be on Sundays and where students and classrooms are gonna be down there. We're putting a door in that whole space as well, so you can section this whole area off and it can be open to the community and have an entire cafe running out of this space while you're doing things like maybe meeting in the auditorium or having classes running. But the idea is that people will be here not just on a Sunday and not just for the Bible college, but also throughout the week as we think about how we want to get people in this community actually into this building and familiar with the space, so that when we invite them on a Sunday morning, they're not like, oh, I don't know about that, or I've never been. They're like, oh, I get coffee there. That's no problem to jump in and be a part of church there as well.
The big idea here is that when it comes to Kingdom property, we want to make sure that Kingdom spaces like this are regularly used, that we're maximizing their potential in the community. For the Bible College, of course, for the church, of course, that's priority number one, but also that people can come into the space and realize that that it's not such a scary place after all.
Yeah, it's great. All right, so we are gonna walk through the auditorium space now.
You're gonna see some new cutouts.
Yeah.
And these are the new entrances for the auditorium. Take a look.
So here it is, a double door coming into the space. A little bit of this hallway that we've seen, but not all finished like this. And then come around and it opens up into the whole room. Isn't that sick? So again, I think some of the updates are drywall in the space. They're sanding down some of the mudding and taping that they've done. They're adding all of this HVAC in this week. You can see those giant pillars that are there. It's going up in the ceiling.
In addition to the main auditorium here, I don't think we've shown you what the media room looks like, and this is going to enable us to do a better job with live services. So this room doesn't look like much now, but it's going to have a ton of different technology in it. TVs all across this wall.
Let's take a look at the other entrance that's coming in. So that's one of the entrances into the auditorium. Again, a whole second entrance into the auditorium that people can use on a Sunday.
It's coming along. It's they're doing a lot of fine detail stuff right now, so hopefully through this update, you're able to see how the life of the school is actually going to expand. There's a lot of exciting space. Of course, we've been framing this in some of the church language, and that's because this is also being filmed for Base Church as well. But this is going to be an incredible chapel space. A lot of opportunity to teach people media in this environment. So in 2 months from now, this is going to be a space that the college can be really proud of.
Yeah.